helicopter is approaching to the helipad. Now we are heading to Vairava to transfer a critical patient on ventilator, and she's now we are landed at COVID hospital in province number 5 in Butwal to transfer suspected COVID patient onto the mechanical ventilator. And you can see we have landed in the field. This is behind me. You can see the COVID hospital. This is how we work in the COVID hospital. Now we need to put on PPE. And it's outside temperature is around 39 degrees centigrade. It is too hot. She is our nurse, Anu Sai, and she is on pepper, and we put on the pepper on it.